Pero kung tayo ito lang, may ano ko.
Kaya, kukunan mo na yung ano, papel.
Oh, baba muna natin mic ko, papel muna.
Papel mo na.
Yes, sir. Okay. Okay na, sige.
We should thank the prosecution and the Department of Justice, the college, fiscal money, fiscal mental, fiscal fund, fiscal player, Chito, and then also like Secretary Reguilla, and our support. Also, we have to thank Attorney Kapunan, Attorney Lino Kapunan. The guilty verdict is a team effort. We all placed our 100% and we got our conviction. At this point, I would like to say that I'm holding University of Santo Tomas responsible for the death of our son. It has been proven that Aegis Juris has been practicing hazing. It's time to check your policies and your laws in the school. I would like to reiterate again that the school, the university, the civil law department, the dean himself failed to protect our son.
I think it's about time heads should roll in the UST.
We also would like to thank the support of the Vatican, especially Cardinal Tagle and Archbishop Gabriel Cacha, for making steps and moves in order to correct what is wrong. We believe that UST should make changes. We are holding them responsible for what they did to our son. They failed the second parents. The dean himself should have done something beforehand. They should have prevented the hazing, the crime of hazing from happening. And now we are very happy. We have gotten our conviction. We would like to ask the Dean Divina, what can you say about this?
It's a big challenge to UST. And of course, well, one person would stand out. I have to say this. If there's one person na tumulong po sa amin, it was Senator Juan Miguel Zubiri. Tinulungan po kami sa laban na ito hanggang dulo.
And of course, we also would like to thank Senator Ping Lacson for heading our investigation and helping in our investigation and helping the amendment to the anti-hazing law.
And of course, we could have not done this without the help of one magnificent lawyer, Attorney Lorna Kapunan.
Yes!
Attorney Lorna Kapunan po. Pinaglaban po niya yung anak namin.
Sorry ma'am, sorry po, for the record na po, all actions po ba na sample ay guilty po sa hazing po?
Yes po.
Guilty, all 10 accused are guilty of hazing with the penalty and the penalty of reclusion. Life imprisonment.
Lahat po yun life imprisonment sa lahat.
For all of them?
All of them.
Yes po.
Civil life. This is the Redditor prosecution staff. I'm just a member of the panel.
We'll just give it to you siguro.
The details.
Thank you.
Thank you po. This is justice for Acho and win for the prosecution po. So thank you so much for all your support. Thank you so much. Hi, Criselda B. Chokson Young. Thank you so much po. Thank you.